I just spent the last 48 hours testing every free AI video generator out there just to give you guys the best, and I'm about to save you hours of frustration by showing you the best one you can use to generate videos for your faceless channel. Trust me, I know what you need. I also want one. And also need a tool to generate my videos for free without watermarks and the best result. The first one on the list is Qwen AI. So guys, I use Qwen AI to generate 5 videos. You all know how to sign up, and if you want me to do a full video on how to make videos on Qwen step by step and how to sign up, let me know in the comment section. But here I am showing my fellow faceless channel people on how to generate their videos using this free tool. So I used Qwen AI to generate 5 videos yesterday. Any aspect ratio you want as usual, but it really works well. I won't lie to you. Go to your browser now and search for Qwen AI and click on the video generation and start generating your videos for your faceless channel. I mean, I'm not saying it's unlimited, but I generated 5 good videos on Qwen AI yesterday. Now I'll be showing you the second AI tool you can use to generate your video, and the name is Jemo AI. This is it up there. So Jemo AI is working well, good and fine. But then it is not free, except if you are ready to pay. But trust me, I am just telling you this, just for you not to check again. I don't know, they might change tomorrow and decide to give free video generations. But for now, they are not free. And this, you can see the credit they even gave is not even up to something I can use to generate a video. Which the third tool I checked yesterday is Google Vids. Can you see Google Vids? You click on the first one right there. After clicking on the first one, it will direct you and show you where to sign up and all. But one thing I want to tell you about this Google Vids is that whenever you want to sign up or you finish signing up, make sure you switch your browser to desktop mode. Because if you didn't switch it to desktop mode, they are going to tell you to go to your laptop. So switch it to your desktop mode and generate your video, just like I want to do right now. I can tell you Google Vids is also free, making the second free too. The first one is Qwen AI and this one is also the second one. So after signing up, you will see an interface like this. You will pick whether landscape or portrait, the video you want to generate, and we also have other AI models over there. So I picked the Veo 3 and I pasted my prompt just to be sure the video quality and the audio. So I generated like 2 videos on this Google Vids yesterday, meaning you guys should go and generate your video on Google Vids. It is free. All you need to do is just sign up, generate your video, and long press your video, and it will pop up this download video. Then you download your video. So I generated 2 videos on it yesterday, and I can tell you that it's really generating a nice video. So if you need it, go there now and go and generate your videos. Alright. So the next tool I tested yesterday with Video AI. You see, this Video AI is really good in generating animations, cartoon. The quality is very beautiful and nice, but then it is also not free like Jemo. Even the free credits they gave cannot generate a video for you. I'm telling you this so that you won't go there again. I told you I'm saving hours of frustration. They might decide to start giving free video generator tomorrow, but for now, it is not free. Video AI, Jemo AI is not free to use. You can see out of credits. So, and this is taking me to the next video generator tool I checked, which is called Gemini Gen AI, and which is the 5th one. I can tell you this is also a free one, meaning out of the 5 free video generator I checked, 3 are free. And when you sign up into this Gemini Gen, the first thing I want you to do is to go to this status. If you click on the status, it's going to show you the AI models that are operating very well and their success rates. You can see Veo 3 is available, Grok Video is available. So I went there to go and use Grok. If you want to still use the Veo 2, since it's available on the status, you can also use it. So I input my prompt and I generated a video, and you can generate more video on it. Meaning, go to Gemini Gen AI to generate your video. So out of the 5 AI tools I tested, Three is free. The first one is Qwen AI, the second one is Google Vid, and this is the third one, which is Gemini Gen. And if you want me to do full video on how to generate video on these tools that are working well, let me know in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll be dropping more AI tools that are free to use. Yes, I'll be dropping more updates for you on how to create videos on AI. So this is the video I generated on Gemini Gen. Can you see? It really look nice, and the voiceover and everything. So go to Gemini Gen, generate videos as much as possible, generate on Qwen AI, generate on Google Vid, and let me know how it's going in the comment section. And also the last one, this is like a bonus, is my favorite, which is Google Flow. Yes, you can use as many emails you have to open Google Flows just to keep getting more credits. Thanks for watching up to this moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.